I feel like we as a youth organization, as Rotaract, can do a lot for the community.
I urge everyone to have this small social service thing in their life where they are trying to return to the society.
The moment you realize that life isn't easy for everyone, then your instinct should come out to help.
When you're doing good things or bad things, when you're an empathetic person, you know what your actions are going to bring about.
If you are associated with some organization like this, you would actually feel like giving back to the society.
So hi, I am Javisha Rana. I am the immediate past president of Rotaract Club of Pune Cantonment, and we're back today at Happy House, our favorite place with our favorite children, our younger sisters and brothers. This is a small initiative where we're just teaching them dental hygiene.
It's good for us to do such community events because it helps us get in touch with our roots and see what other people are going through and like how difficult life can be.
Conducting events like awareness programs will actually make a huge impact on society because these small aspects aren't much given importance to.
The main problem in India, what I feel, is lack of awareness and lack of proper guidance. So this kind of initiatives is really required to reach the mass of India general population, and then we can definitely have a huge social and economic growth in our country. Through Dental Dose, what we do is we get associated with organizations like yours and many other organizations where we are able to have the symbiotic relationship and reach out to people, give them time and free oral health awareness.
Making a change in the society is not people often think of it as a long-term thing. People have this assumption that if it is not making a lot of difference, then it is not going to help. But in reality, able to make a small difference, it will help the society. One message that I would love to give people would be that it doesn't matter what organization you're joining. Even if it's a small organization of 20 people, but they're making a change on their level, they're doing their best, then it is way better than a huge organization which is not doing much.
I feel we have a lot to give to the community in terms of giving them a lot of awareness, giving them a lot of inspiration, and I feel that we as a group, like such a large group, if we show them how things can be done to make a better tomorrow, I think that we can be an inspiration to the younger children, and people seeing us can be motivated to work towards a better future. That's one of the major things I think we as a group can do. If I had the power to make one change, not in society but in people, it would be to make people more empathetic, because once a person is empathetic, they understand the consequences of every action. So that is very important, because when you're doing good things or bad things, when you're an empathetic person, you know what your actions are going to bring about. So that is one very important thing if we want our society to progress ahead in a way that's better for the environment, for the society, for the people.
My only thing is you have to stick to your roots. Don't forget where you've come from. The moment you realize that life isn't easy for everyone, then your instinct should come out to help. It helps us make a difference, and it also makes us feel much better about ourselves.
So if you are associated with some organization like this, you would actually feel like giving back to the society. Feel what other people are deprived of, even the basic needs. So it really touches your heart and it makes you feel give back more to the society.
I urge everyone to have this small social service thing in their life where they are trying to return to the society in some way or the other. It is our responsibility, and if you're not going to do it, then I don't know who will.
In the end, I would like to make the society a better place to live in. All the people who aren't blessed with the things that we have, I would like to give them that. I would like to give them the opportunity. So yeah, that's what I wanted to achieve.